Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to answer this one. So we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tanx. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the x over cosine x squared. Next, we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 0, we put number 0 go in here. So we have u equals to number 0. When x equals to b over 4, we put this one go in here. So we have u equals to number 1. So number 0, we keep the same. B over 4, that is about number 1. Tan x, that is about u. And u. The x over cosine x squared, that is about the u. Next, we can use about integration by by substitution. So I will put about t equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel the square root. So because we have u, so I will put number 1 go to the left, and then we divide both sides by number 3. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Number 1, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. Next, because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. Now we need to change the bounds. So when u equals to number 0, we put number 0 go in here. So t equals to number 1. When u equals to number 1, we put number 1 go in here. So we can find the value of t, that is about number 2. So this one we change for number 1. Number 1 we change for number 2. The square root, that is about t. U, that is about this one. The u, that is about this one. So 2 over 3, I will put outside t and t, we have t squared. So number 3 and number 3, that is about number 9. So t squared multiplied by this one. So the integration of this one, that is about t to the power of number 5 over number 5. This one, that is about number 3. And then we put the bounds from number 1 to number 2. So this is the final answer. So this one we can got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.